Next topic is inverse variation. Now, first of all, we define inverse variation. Two quantities x and y are said to be in inverse variation if one increases with a corresponding decrease in the other or vice versa. This means that if x increases, then y will decrease, and if x decreases, then y will increase. एक बढ़ेगा, दूसरा घटेगा, एक घटेगा, दूसरा बढ़ेगा. And in this case, we have x into y is equal to constant. Their product is constant, or we can write x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Now let us take an example. Suppose you have to go to Ranchi from Gumla, and I have prepared a box. Here I have written speed in kilometer per hour and time in hour. Now if your speed is 50 km per hour, the time taken is 2 hours. And if your speed is 100 km per hour, then the time taken is 1 hour. This means that if you increase your speed, then it will take less time to reach Ranchi. Now, suppose this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now 50 into 2, x1 into y1, 52 is 100, and x2 into y2, 100 into 1, 100. So both are equal. Therefore we say that x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Another example of inverse variation is number of persons and time required to accomplish a work. कोई भी काम करने के लिए जितने ज़्यादा लोग रहेंगे उतना ही कम समय लगेगा, जितने कम लोग रहेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. Now we have to find the missing values if A and B vary inversely. We have A and B, and there is inverse variation between them. We have some missing values. Suppose this is M and this is N. Since A and B vary inversely, you write here A and B vary inversely. Therefore 7 multiply 8 is equal to M multiply 4. x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. You can easily find the value of M. Now in order to find N, you can write 7 into 8 is equal to 28 into N, and you can find the value of N. Next question is, the science teacher asked the students of class 8 to make a project report on pollution. When 10 students work on it, the work gets finished in 3 days. How many students are required so that work finishes in 2 days? We have number of students and number of days. So 10 students can finish the work in 3 days, and in order to finish the work in 2 days, we have to find the number of students. Let the number of students is equal to x. We have number of students and number of days. Number of students is 10, then number of days is 3. When the number of students is x, number of days is 2. Now it is clear that if I want to complete the work in lesser number of days, then we have to increase the number of students. This means that there is inverse variation. There is inverse variation. Therefore, 10 multiply 3, we can write this multiply this. 10 multiply 3 is equal to x into 2. Or we can write 2 into x, 2x is equal to 3 times 30. Or x is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Therefore, number of students is equal to 15. Answer, which is the required answer. Next question. Disha cycles to her school at an average speed of 12 km per hour. It takes her 20 minutes to reach the school. If she wants to reach her school in 15 minutes, what should be her average speed? Here the distance is constant. Now, she takes a speed of 12 km per hour, an average speed of 12 km per hour, then the time taken by her is 20 minutes. And we have to find her average speed if the time taken is 15 minutes. अगर जल्दी पहुंचना है, स्पीड को बढ़ाना है. अगर देर करना है, देरी से पहुंचना है, तो स्पीड को डिक्रीज करना है, घटाना है. तो यहां पर क्या है? इनवर्स वेरिएशन है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन we'll assume that let her average speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. We assume let her average speed. Now you have to solve this question. I'm just giving the hint. We have average speed, unit is kilometer per hour, and time. We take the time in hour. Now when the average speed is 12 km per hour, time taken is 20 minutes, and 20 minutes can be written as 20 by 60 hour. Next, time is 15 minutes, 15 minutes can be written as 15 by 60 hour. And average speed is x. There is also inverse variation. Therefore, we can write 12 multiply 20 divided by 60 is equal to x multiply 15 divided by 60. 60 cancels. Now you can easily find the value of x. Thank you.